This is the iPhone 6.
Poor performance in older iPhones, a regular complaint at this used smartphone shop.
Customers were starting to call in to talk about their phone slowing down and ask what could be done about it. And the short answer is there wasn't a lot that we could do to help them out there.
It wasn't an imaginary problem. A class action lawsuit claimed as batteries got older, Apple deliberately released software that slowed down some phones without telling users. Now, years later, Apple is paying out more than $14 million in a legal settlement just approved by a BC judge.
I think they should pay because I remember what happened to the phones, and it was bad.
Obviously, they're being held accountable. You can't just do that. I mean, if the phone's good, the phone's good.
$14 million sounds like a drop in the bucket for a company worth $2.7 trillion. But eligible Canadians will be able to get up to $150 if they had an iPhone 6 or 7. Experts point out companies don't always explain software updates.
And when they don't really kind of advertise in advance that these might be some of the side effects that happen to address battery issues or security flaws or something, that's usually when there's people say, hang on, what's going on here?
Apple recently settled a similar lawsuit in the US, but they aren't admitting any wrongdoing in either case.
That's very normal. I've settled literally hundreds of class actions, and I've never had anyone admit they did anything wrong.
As for more recent iPhone users, Apple introduced a feature years ago that tells you whether they've slowed down a phone because of an old battery. Anis Haidari, CBC News, Calgary.